It was just matter of time before people started hacking the generative AI large language models. Prompt hacking or prompt injection is one way. Prompting or prompt engineering is the way to control the output of the large language model. Just like regular hacking elicits unintended behavior from websites and applications, prompt hacking attempts to force artificial intelligence model to say things that their designer did not intend for them to say. Prompt hacking is a large safety issue and an active area of research. The unexpected behavior can often be caused by prompting models in specific ways. For example, if you build a Twitter bot that uses the prompt as shown on your screen, and then we inject something in that Twitter bot, as I took this from this Twitter example, then you can see how we can alter the response of the large language model. Prompt injection is a process of hijacking a language model's output, as you can see on your screen. It allows the hacker to get the model to say anything that they want. This can occur when untrusted text is used as part of the prompt. Now, in this figure, which I reproduced from Riley Good's side, is a good example of this. We can see that the model ignores the first part of the prompt in favor of the injected second line. Now, there are a lot of research is going on, and there is a website which is uh, totally dedicated to hacking the prompt in the famous and popular large language models. And it is sort of a bug bounty program where you can enroll and then you can win the prizes if you're able to hack the large language model. And I will put the link to that website in the comment section. That is called as Hack a Prompt, and I will also do a separate quick short video on it today. I hope that you found it useful. If you have any comment or feedback, please put it in the comment section. Thanks for listening and watching.